Hey guys, Uncle Ray. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Bellwether. Guys, this is a video I've been wanting to make for a couple of weeks, but I think we still have plenty of time. The technicals really look good. Uh, the big picture looks good. So stay with me and we'll look at the technicals after I tell you what we're looking at. But this is Vulcan Forged. I suggest you go to vulcanforged.com and look around. They this game, from my understanding, is one of the best out there. It has a huge community, which is really the only thing that matters. Once you have a solid team in place and a good roadmap, and you have a good game, it only what really matters is, do people play it, and what do they think about it, and is it a growing community? And this one is. The ecosystem is off the charts. I mean, it has decks and DAOs, has a marketplace. I mean, it's unbelievable, all the things in this ecosystem uh, with the NFTs and everything. But just do your homework and take a look at it. Go to the website, and I think once you do that, this might be the play. Now, let's look at the chart of what's going on with it. And if you ask me, this is absolutely the time to buy. Uh, this is that's a 12-month chart, but if you look at an all-time chart, which is this right here, I mean, this thing, it it basically had a little bit of a breakout um, at the 1st of February, and now it's fallen just like the entire market. Look, it's going to run with the market for the most part, but here's the deal. Most of these gaming stocks tend to run, a week, 2 weeks behind like Bitcoin. And so what you can expect, basically, now there are no certainties in this, but what you can expect is, if Bitcoin keeps rallying and gets up to 48,000, 50,000, definitely when it starts to run toward its all-time high, this thing is going to run harder after, in my opinion, and it's going to take out its all-time high. So let's look at what that is. This thing has been over $50. Look at that. And right now, guys, you can buy this thing somewhere around $10 or $11. Uh, Follow along with it. Now, look, normally I like to go ahead. What I like to do, I like to put about 50% in to my first position, and then I watch it. But here's the thing, I'm not going to chase this thing unless Bitcoin starts to really run. Then I might go ahead and buy, let's say at $12 and then at $13. But normally, here's what I hope. We're going to buy this thing around $10, $11. Go ahead and put 50% in. If it goes down, just keep watching for a day or two. If it goes down, you put another 25%. If it goes down after that, put another 25%. If it looks like it's going to go sideways and stay stagnant, just make that call at that time. And in my opinion, no matter what, if you get this thing anywhere, really anywhere in here, you're good. I don't really nickel and dime these long-term trades. And when I say long-term, when I get into this thing, I would expect to hold it throughout the year until Bitcoin takes out its old highs. Now, I have conviction that it will. And when it does, this thing, PYR, which is Vulcan Forge, is going to take out its high. Guys, that's a 5x. A 5x just to take out its old high. Well, when this thing starts to rock and roll and you got that 5x, my guess is it's going to take it out and then some, because FOMO's going to get in there and everything else. Now, for me, this is not a long-term hold like a Bitcoin. I would probably sell some, depending on what's going on in the world. I'm going to sell up in here. I'll sell right in there. And then I might hold or sell the last bit here, but I might hold 10% and just let it run. That's how I like to do things. But either way, guys, go to vulcanforged.com. Check it out. Look at their ecosystem. Follow along on their social media and see what they're all about. And then enter the trade if you see fit. Not financial advice, but from my opinion, this is a altcoin, a gaming play that is going to be really good throughout the year. Once Bitcoin does its thing and we have a big rally, take your profits. Do not hold this thing a year or two. That is not what this is all about. Now, also, that being said, I got to tell you something. This thing had a hack. I don't know when it was. I can't remember. But it had a hack and sent this thing tumbling. It was a lot stronger. But trust me when I tell you, well, do your homework if you have any questions. But all that's been taken care of. And even when it did have a hack, the people that lost money got their money back from uh, Vulcan Forge. So it happens, guys. This is a very young protocol. The whole asset class is young. There's a lot of craziness, but they did the people right. So in my opinion, it just gave us a lot better buying opportunity. And I truly believe that this thing is about to take off. And when Bitcoin rallies, and the only thing, in my opinion, that is stopping Bitcoin from taking out its old highs is if the entire world collapses. And I mean the stocks fall, the real estate collapses, the bond market, everything collapses. That's the only thing going to stop Bitcoin from taking out its old highs this year, in my opinion. I'm a true believer, and this is a little bit more risky play, but this is only like 10% of my money that I put into these type of cryptos, but it's well worth it because there's a good chance, honestly, guys, when it takes out that high right there, it could 5x from there, and that would be a 10x, and that's what we all want. Anyway, guys, that's all I got. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit that like button, and look, please go ahead and hit that notification bell because I do a lot of these trades and they're time sensitive. And if you have any questions or you have any comments, please leave those and I'll try to get back to you. And look, if you got a better gaming play, please leave that in the comment section. Hey, I'm here to learn too. Appreciate it, guys. Take care and come back.